Hey, what's up, guys? This is the reviewer 85. I have a new product in my description. There will be a link and where to buy. So today I have Hempvana Cold as Ice Pain Relief Cannabis, enriched with cannabis. It's for arthritis, back, shoulder, joint, muscle pain. It comes in a nice little container like this. The best part about this is it rolls on. You don't have to get your hands messy. Also, sometimes you put these menthol things and you touch your eye and it burns. But this one right here, you just roll it on. If you see it, just a little roller. It has a green, just rolls. And you can see that it pick up the gel, and you just roll it on wherever you have pain, and that's it. And I can say it's really effective. Recommend this if you're having pain instead of the Bengay and stuff like that. I think this one worked out a lot better. It goes on really cold and it starts smoothing. It starts going into like a little warm, and it's very good, very good. Well, if you have any question at all, comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.